Microsoft Copilot tutorial. So hello there and welcome back to another video. I'm pretty much sure that you have heard about Microsoft Copilot AI. So this is really a useful AI for many individuals who want to elevate their work and want to use Microsoft Copilot's AI. So this is basically an AI where you can use it to provide many informations. For example, you can just go to Microsoft Copilot AI, this link address, you can see this, and at the top right corner you can see the sign in option. Just tap onto sign in. Now you can continue with Microsoft, Apple, or even Google. You have to choose your email address and then you have to tap continue, and there we go. Wait, let the page reload. Let's load the page. So there we go. Now you can add many commands to Microsoft Copilot according to your need. Like here, you can choose the quick responses, think it deeper. You can choose them. You can add files from here. You can upload files. You can add voiceover from here. Like,
I'm Copilot. You can chat with me.
Why should I use you? What is your services? What you provide?
Just keep you company. Let's have some fun with our conversation today.
So here we can talk about it. We can talk with it. So how old are you?
I don't have an age like humans do. I've been around for a while and I'm constantly learning new things. But if you're curious, I was created by Microsoft and I get updates to stay current.
Okay, shut up.
So,
So there you can see this is how you can use Microsoft Copilot voice AI. So are you male or female?
I don't have a gender.
Who's the creator of you? Like, who created you?
I was created by Microsoft.
So can you analyze many things? For example, can you analyze that how old is a person by his image?
I can't analyze a person's age from an
Okay. Can you help people with their daily tasks?
Absolutely. I can assist with organizing schedules.
So there we go. This you can see this is how you can use Microsoft Copilot AI. You can read the conversation. You can tap onto the think deeper option, and it will answer you more deeply. For example, I'm gonna tap onto what can be the next business module to become a millionaire overnight, like drop shipping was in 2017 to 2020. Let's see how it turns out. So let the AI analyze and let's see how it turns out, what it answers us. Okay, while it is answering your question, let's open a new tab and let's check it out. Its other features you can see. So as you can see, it has answered me a deeper question more deeply. So I'm gonna copy this text and gonna head over to this side and gonna tap onto quick responses. So let's tap onto it and let's see the difference between quick response and the think deeper option. So as you can see, this is the quick response, less described, and here you can see this is briefly described a lot. So this is the difference between quick answers like quick responses and think deeperly. So here you can see it has answered AI-powered personalization, digital products and courses, micro SaaS and AI tools, blockchain, web services, automated social commerce, AI-generated content marketplaces, etc. You can check out a few considerations here. So this is the difference between the quick responses and the think deeper option. So which one should you use? So when you want a quick response and the response should be in less words, then you can choose the quick responses. And when you want a describe like a long answer, you want to understand the question or the answer more deeply, then you can choose the think deeper option from here. You can also talk with Microsoft Copilot's AI agent, you can say. Then you can also upload images. Okay, let me log in. So you can also upload images like we can do in the chat GPT, but I think Microsoft Copilot offers a better service on the free mode. Okay, I have to choose my, okay, now let's continue. So there we go. Now let's add an image to it and let's ask something about that. Let's go back and okay, let's choose this image and ask it that what it is. What is it? So there we go. Now it will answer us our questions. So as you can see, it has answered that it looks like a stylish workspace setup. So you can ask any difficult questions to it and it will answer you. And you can say it has also generated me a few more questions that what I can ask in future, like on the next question maybe I can ask them. So these Microsoft Copilots have generated me this text. So as you can see, this is really an extraordinary AI tool. You can absolutely use it and it is worth to use it. Okay, and at the top left corner you can see this option here. You can create new page or you can create new conversation if you use it. And from this one, this is the closed sidebar. You can discover more, like you can discover the other things, for example Copilot daily, fatigue with simple hacks, etc. These are other services that it provides. For example, this one, you can discover many things using it, so I'm going to show you. Yeah, you can check it out. So this is what it looks like. You can play the games here, Copilot game. You can just run it and you can play it around. You can choose the labs experiment AI initiative and you can experience more deeper things from here. You can learn more. You can try Copilot gaming experiences by tapping onto try it now, or other experiences, for example think deeper or other things. You just have to need to check them out and you will be able to understand it. So this is the Copilot game, so you can play it around. So here you can check it out, you can play. So let me go forward. So this is what it looks like, and if you want to jump you can tap onto space and that's it. So that was pretty much it about it. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section that how was the tutorial, whether it was helpful or not. I will gladly read your comments. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you until another video.